Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to Da Nang Beach. It is windy. Somehow there's a little bit of a storm coming up, but it's beautiful. It's nice and windy after a super hot day. And look at this guy. I just came here with the Grab. What is going on there? I don't know. Construction work. But look at this guy. Hello, hello! Where do you got that from?
It's from the Han market.
Han market, okay.
Yeah, it's really good. It supports my scientific reasons. Your report.
All right. I don't understand this guy, but he's walking a lot every day, 20,000 steps, and he definitely needs those kind of hats. It's very important to have those hats. Yeah. And maybe no one actually recognizes him because he's a big star.
That's it. It's a little bit hot. I think it's not for this reason.
I remember Francois, our friend, saw him in the city center with that. And then he was scared. He actually was like squaring up.
He was ready to fight.
Yeah, he was ready to fight.
Was ready to fight for his life.
Oh my God. Oh, this is so nice here. I really enjoy the breeze now. This nice wind here on the beach. The content creators are out here filming themselves. Hello. More content creators over here. And look at this cute little yellow bike. Oh, it's nice. It's sunset time. Is it sunset time? Or what time is it? It looks like
golden hour?
Golden hour, maybe.
Oh, she's a content creator too.
Oh yeah. No, with our Instagram husband, he has to film. She can enjoy. It's how it is, right?
Yeah. How it is, yeah.
I actually reviewed this Grand Terrain the other day with Francois. It was surprisingly nice. I did not know it. It's big. I think, and you know what they have? A pickleball course over there. And they did this pickleball course out of 4 pickleball courses out of 1 tennis court. So that's why you see pickleball everywhere. It's more profitable.
Exactly. 4 times the profit.
Exactly. And here, let's see what's going on. There's someone working on the sand, getting it a little bit evened out. You do, however, can actually walk on the beach completely again. It's possible. But people still running here also on the pavement, on the sidewalk, on the footsteps. Or what is it called? Footpath.
On the Bürgersteig.
Oh, the Bürgersteig, that's in German. Oh, I like this kind of breeze. Oh, it's beautiful. We were very lucky today in the morning again. It was very nice and hot. I did a nice video about what to do in the morning. I will link it down below. But yeah, it's very nice today. And I'm wondering what this building wanna be. They don't have any kind of signs there yet. But it looks like an apartment building. It would be pretty cool to live there, I think.
I think it looks more than a hotel.
You think?
Because you see, look at the storages, like the levels.
Yeah.
It's too big for hotel rooms. Or let's say for apartments. You see the big fronts of the windows?
It looks like the first few gonna be commercial space. But then upstairs kinda could be living. Would be dope. I think they're working all the time now. I think it's good. I think it's gonna be soon, right?
If you look, it has the shape of a cruiser.
Yes, a cruise ship. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
cruise ship.
Kind of crazy. It's so chill here. I actually like this beach part as well. Every time there's the beach part with the nice coconuts, it's beautiful. And actually, this is the same almost like the Antung area. It's just like you have all the stuff. You have the coconut dealers. Dealers. You have everything here too.
What is it called? Is it the Mike Beach?
Mike Beach, yeah. I think that's Mike Beach, yeah. It's nice. Yeah, you got lots of restaurants, like local places. You got good coffee shops there. You can get coffee on the beach. The water is also great here. You can walk a lot. It's good. So this is actually the beach if you stay in those hotels on the second row. There are actually 6 hotels I reviewed as well. Pretty interesting for you if you stay there. It's like Sala, it's Chi House, it's Salamander or Salmonella or something. Some of those hotels. I really like those boats here as well. I like that they always like decorate the boardwalk very nice. I think they're putting a lot of effort in there. But yeah, the ocean looks nicer and nicer every single day. I could imagine it's like very warm. I gotta
Water test.
get Marcus in there.
Yeah.
I never saw Marcus in any kind of water. Maybe he cannot even swim. Can you swim, Marcus?
Yeah. I'm David Hasselhoff.
Oh, all right.
I have the license. I did it in Germany. I don't rescue diver.
Oh,
rescue swimmer.
okay.
Yeah.
All right. I want to see that.
Because I always wanted to kiss girls for free. But it never happened, so, yeah.
Hey, we got 20% ladies here, okay? It's okay. But you're a very handsome man. Yeah, many ladies already said that. Marcus is also single, so by the way, you can apply in the comment section.
First of all, thank you very much for the compliments.
Look at this, the Koto Club got a brand new golden finish at the front. Nice, I like that. And this is also a very unusual building here. It looks like some rental property, but it's like no one is in there. You think it's for rent? It would be nice to rent the whole building. I'm not sure what it is. It looks like no one lives in there. But it's next to this nightclub, so.
It's closed down.
Huh.
It looks so.
Yeah, there's some restaurant in the bottom, but I think it's also not open. And I'm not sure what it is in the back there. What is it?
Something with the love.
My dear Vietnamese viewers, I know you're watching. Please, can you tell me what this means? What kind of building is this? Huh. Oh, it's beautiful. So nice. The DLG hotel is also super underrated. I will link down below this video as well. DLG, they have actually a not a rooftop pool, but a elevated pool over there with a beautiful, like, empty pool over there. You have a beautiful view onto the beach, and they have a pool downstairs there too. You don't see it. You think like, what is this building? But it's actually a very nice hotel. And nice hotel rooms, and yeah, it's actually also fairly priced. I would like to check out the breakfast buffet. I don't know about that, but looks like a big room, big place. The only thing, if you book the normal rooms over there, you cannot 100% get the sea view. Like, it's first come, first serve with those rooms, and the other rooms on the side. So they're the same category, but if you book this category, you will be there or there. This one is better, I think. You have an ocean terrace and a fine dining also downstairs. They have a nice gym. And yeah, check out this video.
Nice.
Yeah, the beach is also super nice here.
Yeah.
Get a beach bar over there. And everything you need. Even the beach beds are very comfortable. They look very comfortable. And you are actually super close to the Antung area if you just want to walk there. It's not that far.
Yeah, it's true.
I really like all those grass places as well. It's not that common to have grass right at the beach here. Yeah, this is the sign, the Mike beach sign. And then all the...
They say
Hell,
Miki
is that-
is one of the 6 most attractive beaches on the planet, voted by Forbes magazine.
Wow, wow, wow. Now you
That's
know.
a high bar.
It is. I mean, there are not many places in the world where you have a city 15 minutes away from the beach is the airport by car or 1 hour by walk. And you have all the amenities of a city, but also this nice little tropical beach. You have it a little bit in Playa del Carmen, but it's not that city. Playa del Carmen does not have like that many things. And you have to drive 1 hour south or 1 hour north to get to one of those airports, Cancun or
Yeah,
Tulum.
but also, for me, it's one of the longest beaches. You can go there through Hoi An. It's no problem.
Yeah, I mean, you can walk down to Phu Tao, right? Hypothetically. You can walk all the way to Cambodia on the beach, right? I mean, I think, right? It's somehow possible, right?
Wow, yeah, yeah.
I mean, you just walk all the way down. Maybe that would be a cool challenge.
Yeah, thank
From the
you.
Chinese border all the way on the coast to the Cambodia
Oh, okay.
in the south, right? Like this.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And maybe swim to Phu Quoc. Marcus, are you ready for this challenge?
Yeah,
Maybe we'll find some sponsors who will do that.
yeah then
Maybe
I'm in.
you know what? I should get Asics to sponsor me, just like this Nike challenges, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Let's get Asics to sponsor me. I should just email them, you know. Or I'm just gonna continue until someone from Asics watches. Asics, send me an email.
We have to tag them.
It's hi@socialsemi@gmail.com. I'm gonna make a homepage soon. So I'm gonna get my booking.com link. And also, I don't know what this is.
Oh, yesterday
Doan 27.
I've
Yeah.
been there for eating
Oh, how was that?
Korean barbecue. It was very delicious. It was
43 town. Okay.
43 town. They have many like sushi and steakhouse and Korean
Okay.
barbecue.
Yeah.
And I was invited, so I didn't pay.
Then it tastes even better.
Yeah, exactly. But the roundabout cost was with drinks, I think 370,000. All
Per
you can
person?
eat.
Oh, that's actually good. I had a very nice experience in the same street as well with this Chinese restaurant, Chinese Haidi Lao. Maybe it's Taiwanese, I'm not sure, but it's like Haidi Lao, and it's the same concept as Haidi Lao, and but they also have a grill, hot pot and grill together. Super nice. The best all-you-can-eat sushi I had there. They have seafood. I did not like the I don't like seafood, but my wife, she killed a lot of crabs. Every time I see my wife handling some crabs and seafood, I'm like, okay, I cannot afford to mess up. That's how she cracks all the bones and everything. No. You don't want to mess with Vietnamese ladies.
That would scare me too.
Yeah. Sometimes she wakes up and chooses violence. You know, she goes to the local market, buys a lot of fresh seafood that are alive still, and then she just smashes them in. Like, imagine a brunch with like full of shrimps and clams. They're all squeezing for help. She just smashes them, cooks them, and eats them. It actually looks nice now. They changed that.
It's a very nice spot, and also the other one with the white pasta sam, because you're sitting at the beach.
Yeah, and this is a pizza place with a golden pizza oven, which is very interesting. Very nice. Gold. Look at this. Look at this golden pizza oven.
The pizza starts at 120,000.
Oh, that's very cheap, right? It's $5 on the beach. There's only one volleyball net at the moment. So the beach is not totally back. But I hope it will be done soon. People relaxing here. Ladies do their obligatory beach photos. When are we gonna make photos, Marcus?
When we are good looking.
We have a in.
So never.
Hey, we are close to Korea. Maybe we can get some plastic surgery.
Yeah.
Paradise food station here. Watch out, this is pretty low if you're a tall guy. Yeah, I did a nice vlog today. I will link it down here and I will link it down below in the description, okay? So please check this one out. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next vlog.